So, hi everyone, welcome to General Santos. Meron tayong future project which is ang pangalan ng subdivision is Casimira Homes Jensen. So, sa mga naghahanap ng housing subdivision na quality at magandang pagkakagawa, Casimira Jensen is perfect for you. As of this moment, kaka-launch lang po namin this week. And after 2 days, almost 80% sold out na po ang subdivision. We still have few units left sa mga gustong mag-avail. Just contact us today. So, vicinity map natin sa Jensen. Malapit lang po tayo sa University of Santo Tomas, City Hardware, Davao, and AC Medical Center. So, ayan po yung site development plan natin. And so this project is located in Barangay Ligaya, Barangay Lagao, General Santos. And yung ating mga amenities, clubhouse, meron tayong swimming pool. And then, this is the unit. Meron tayong mga bungalow from 2 bedrooms to 3 bedrooms. That's it. If you want to know more about this project, just let me know. Thank you.